Google Jamboard is an online drawing collaboration platform where you can brainstorm ideas together with many people, or you can use it to brainstorm your own ideas as well. So to access and create a Jamboard, you can see that I am in Google Chrome browser right here. You can use any browser of your choice. And I'm signed into my Google account right here. So that is where you have to start. You have to be signed into your Google account. So once you are signed in, what you can simply do is you can go around and then access Google Jamboard by going on to the Google Apps section right here. You can go down and over here you can see Jamboard is an option. And once you click on Jamboard, what happens is that you are redirected to the Google Jamboard area right here. So you can see your recent Google Jamboard right here. You can search for Jamboards and then you can access them out over here as well. On the left side, you can go around and view more information about Jamboard as well. And to create a new Jamboard, you simply go onto the bottom right hand side. And once you click on this plus button, it says New Jam. And once you click on it, what happens is that a new Jamboard is created. And now you can simply get the tools right here and start working with this. And in this tutorial series, we're going to look at various tools that help us and allows us to work with Google Jamboard boards. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.